Hello and welcome to another video on how to use our platform FNU. Blackware now has lockdown browser and Respondus. How we use it? Really simple. The first thing that we have to do is upload a test. So we go to Course Tools, Test Surveys and Pools, Test, Import Test, browse my computer in which you already have a test created. We're going to make this one as an example. Make sure that it's a .zip, then submit. As soon as the operation is done, you click OK, and then go to Assignments. In Assignments, you will find Assessment. In Assessment, you will find Test. Look for the test that you upload. In this case, will be a practice test. Submit. Let's make a change so we know which one is it. Practice Test 1. Here you can change all the availabilities. For example, make it available to learners, but make it available to learners from today till next Thursday. You don't need to put a password. Lockdown will do that. In the due date, try to make it the same one as the one that you had on your time frame. Then you can choose between showing all the questions at once, one at a time, and prohibited backtracking. Prohibited backtracking means basically that the test will only show one question at a time and it won't let the student go back to the question that they already did. Also, we always recommend randomized questions. Then click Submit. I'm going to put this test on top so we can continue the practice. Here is a regular test. Now, how we make it lockdown protected? Very simple. We're going to go Respondus Lockdown, here on Course Tools. Click on Continue to Lockdown Browser. Choose our test. Click on Settings. Require Respondus Lockdown. Require Respondus Monitor for this exam. Continue to Respondus Monitor. And choose the options that we prefer. Environment check. The student will have to show the environment in which they are doing the test using the webcam. Show ID and student photo, so they can double check that the student has the same ID picture and same name and other information as the student ID. Guideline and tips, definitely really important because they sometimes need some guidance to do their test. It's automatic, you don't have to do much. And then webcam check, just to make sure that the webcam is properly running. For some students that try to do their test on systems like iPad, you can also activate that option. You just go here and allow students to take this exam with an iPad. If it's a test that you need them to have a calculator, you can enable calculator bar, and all the options that you can see, you can choose between taking it or not. But the most important one, always require Respondus Lockdown and require Respondus Monitor. Then save and continue. Now you see you have requiring both options. Then the second question is, we already have the test. As a Respondus Lockdown Monitor, but how the students know how to use it? For that, we created something very simple, and it's gonna be in your email. We're gonna go to Edit the Test Options, and in this area, we're gonna click on HTML, and we're gonna go to the notepad, which we will send in the email. Click Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and then on the HTML area, Ctrl V. That means copy and paste. As soon as we do that, the test will have a full guide of how to use Respondus lockdown for students with a video and everything, so they understand better the software. And they can download the software right clicking here. As you notice, it's really simple, and if you have any question, please let us know, and we will be here to help you.